Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hoon. My channel is mostly about making coffee using Barista Express and coffee related topics. And today I have some fun videos for you. I'm going to compare Barista Express, the built-in grinder versus Mazzer Mini. I just refurbished it recently. Anyway, by the way, it's beautiful morning in Arizona. I mean, it's fantastic. Finally, summer's over, I hope. Anyway, so let's get to it. We are going to pull the shot using the 18 gram each from Mazzer Mini and Barista Express. And we are going to pull the shot, and then I'm going to taste and trying to figure out which one is better. And let's talk about it. So I'm going to start with a Mazzer Mini first. I'm gonna put it in. So this is tricky part of using the doser model. Trying to get 18 grams in there. Since we are doing for the comparison, so I want to be exact. 18 grams so we can compare side by side. There we go. But meantime, so we got the beans ready, but meantime I'm going to warm up some glass. Like so. I'm going to put 18 grams in and 36 grams out. So get a 2-to-1 ratio. I got my skewers up. Here we go. Okay, so this thing is choking right now, so which means they are too fine. So we are going to make another adjustment here. Yeah, it's not gonna work, so I'm going to make adjustment on my grinder. Another maybe small turn. Yeah, I mean this is choking, so I'm just gonna let it go for now. Yep. Goodness, it's only 10 grams out, so it's not gonna work. This is not good. Okay, so hopefully it's gonna be better this time. So one shot before there was too fine, and get my fingers crossed. It's pretty muggy outside as well, so moisture is the issue, but we'll see. One more time here. 18 grams in and 36 out. Okay, pressure is overall pretty good. Colors looking good. I think we got the sweet spot here. 37. Okay, here we go. It's about 38 grams. So you can see very thick crema. Looks pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to take a drink right now because I think after like 60 seconds or something, espresso is not the same. So you want to drink right away. So smells good. So this is a Mazzer shot from Mazzer Mini. Here we go. Much better. Okay. Smooth. What else? A very dark note. Uh, it's not bitter at all. I mean, there's nothing bitterness. It's like smooth and sweet. It's definitely a good shot. Okay. I mean, I don't mind drinking this. Just a shot alone. Okay, so I'm going to set aside. Now I'm going to use a Barista Express grinder and see how it's going to taste like. All right, so let's get going on it. Again, I'm going to measure out 18 grams. Uh, 17.22. Okay, so one thing you have to know, so this is not a zero retention grinder because between the burr and the space, they have empty spaces there. So, always hold some beans. So at this point, I'm gonna put some more beans in. Just make sure we have 18 grams. Now we have 18 point. Here we go. Now we have, so by the way, for the beans, with the Mazzer Mini is more finer and consistent, but with Barista Express, it's not as consistent as Mazzer Mini. Okay. Then distribution tool. Make sure everything is nice and clean. So I'm going to do the same shot here. The pressure is also pretty good, just like Mazzer Mini. 26, 31. Here we go. So 38 grams, just like Mazzer Mini. Overall, I mean, this is again just like Mazzer Mini, very dark and creamy. Looks pretty good. Okay, so let's try the Express from Barista Express grinder. It smells wonderful as well. It's really good, but I can taste a little bit more bitterness. So we are using the exact same beans. I'm using the Lavazza grain crema for both times, and the only thing difference is the grinder. So just a little bitter. Then, oh yeah, so it's been about a couple of minutes sitting out, but more smooth. Yeah, it's just overall profile is not as smooth as Mazzer grinder. Okay, so what does that mean? I mean, you know what? Most times I use drink Americano anyway. So, I drink maybe espresso once in a while. So So does that make a big difference? Yes, it does. Mazzer mini grinder is much superior than built-in Barista Express. But personally, for the convenience sake, the space, saving space, and I'm not sure. I mean, personally, I like just using Barista Express, but let me know what you think. I mean, if you have a separate grinder for your Barista Express, please let me know. Leave me on the comment. I really like to know what you guys thinking about it. But overall, I mean, yes, you're gonna get the better shot from separate grinder like Mazzer Mini, but for the convenience factor, I'm pretty happy with Barista Express. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, please join my channel. I have more video coming out. So see you guys next time.